Good morning, ma'am. Good
Good
afternoon.
morning. Good afternoon, Rohan. How are you?
Ma'am, I am fine.
You are the first one to come to the meeting today. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Ankur.
Good afternoon.
All tired of taking classes this morning, yes?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tired?
Yes,
Miraculous.
ma'am.
Okay. I know. See, at least sitting in the
Good
class.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Sitting in the classroom is much better than sitting at home and doing the class.
Good.
Isn't it, class?
No, ma'am.
Why sitting at home, lying down on the bed, it is more better than the classrooms. Huh?
Ma'am, we never lie down.
Yes, ma'am.
So means, I have seen many of the students taking their classes like this only.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, I never lie down.
No, I am just talking about, just now I had a class with 7. So half the children, they were on the bed relaxing completely and taking their
Yes,
class.
ma'am, my brother was also lying. He is lying on
Ajay,
the floor.
he's in class 7.
Yes, ma'am, Sky Sharma.
Acha, when I told him to speak, he got disconnected from the meeting. He did not speak on the topic which I gave him.
Yes, ma'am, actually there is a network problem. In my room, network is really poor and we are using 2 devices. He really got disconnected. He showed me.
Okay.
But ma'am, he was lying.
This is what, no? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7 including me. Shall we
Good
wait?
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Sanidhya. How are you doing?
Ma'am, great.
Great. Can we have cameras on for all of you?
Ma'am, open.
Those who have not opened, for them.
Ma'am, surroundings aren't much good.
Okay, what about Rohan?
मैम मेरी सराउंडिंग्स भी कुछ ज्यादा अच्छी नहीं है
Ma'am,
उधर नहीं
ma'am,
है
opening.
Array, your surroundings are quite better than mine.
Okay.
मैम अभी आपकी क्लास से पहले हमारा फ्री पीरियड था तो मैम मैं पियानो बजाने लगा फिर मैंने देखा आपने लिंक डाल
So what do you do when you have a free period in between two classes? What do you people do generally?
Ma'am, physics work.
Okay. Prachi goes for physics work. What does Ankur do?
मैम
Sanidhya plays his instruments, right?
यस मैम आई रिकॉर्ड माय म्यूजिक
Okay. What do you do, Manjot?
Ma'am, I used to do my tuition work.
You do your tuition work?
Yes, ma'am.
But tuition work is not allowed in the classroom, no? Is it? Okay, there have been cases where, children, what do they do in between the classes when they have free periods, like when they have activity period, they don't go to play, they sit in the classroom and they say, we have to complete the work. Sometimes
एंड मैम वन स्कोल्डेड अस
Exactly.
Ma'am, I did that thing.
मैम उनने ऐसे कान पकड़ा और बाहर निकाल दिया
Okay. But you people must be missing those things, no? These days?
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I can understand. Okay, what about Rohan? What do you do in your classes when you are free in between two classes?
Ma'am, I eat food.
But it does not look like as if you eat food in between your classes.
No, ma'am, I have gained a lot of height.
Okay. So you are growing taller, huh? Very good. That's nice. Chalo.
Ma'am, I am growing skinnier.
You are also growing?
Ma'am, I'm becoming skinny day by day. My parents scold me every day for that.
Why is it so? You are taking a lot of tensions or what?
Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am, I really don't know.
Okay. Chalo. Fine. Let us start with the chapter. I think we were doing We were doing history, right?
Ma'am, today Pratyunsh
Yes,
is not
ma'am.
there.
He will come, don't worry.
Yes.
See, because it was free period, maybe many are not aware.
Maybe निकल गए होंगे.
नहीं, they'll come. ऐसा नहीं. Pradyumsh is very regular in taking his classes.
Ma'am, geography or ma'am history?
We were doing history. I think history is not complete.
Yes.
Prachi, if you could tell that what exactly we were doing. Abhinath, don't scroll. What are you doing? Spoiling my screen?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you were asking some questions based on the extract.
Acha, right. So that means we have done the flow chart, right? And I was,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
were on the reading part, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, what does Abhinath do in a free period?
I tell him several things to do. There are so
Ma'am,
many.
he talks with.
Sometimes he calls his friends. Sometimes I tell him
Ma'am calls his ma'am not friend, ma'am only friend.
okay, only friend. Fine. Then sometimes I keep him occupied. I tell him, okay, you do this thing, you do that thing. So that some of my work is lessened, no? Otherwise, I have to do everything.
Ma'am, today you are looking very fresh.
I'm looking very fresh. You see, between the classes, when I get time, I take a short nap so that I get refreshed.
एक हाँ ma'am.
Beta,
Ma'am, I just read my novel for refreshment.
I have to get up early in the morning for everything. So I really need this nap, you know. Okay. I think we were doing Bastar Rebellion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Fine. The fears of the people we have to read from?
Ma'am, it's second paragraph. Ma'am, first paragraph we
Second
are there.
paragraph.
Okay, second paragraph, the people of Bastar, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Chalo. Is the screen clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think explanation part was done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, let us have Ankur reading, the people of Bastar.
People began to gather and discuss these issues in their village councils, in banjaras, bazaars, and at festivals of whatever, wherever the headmen and priests of several villages
Priests
were assembled.
of several villages were assembled.
The initiative was taken by the Dhurwas of the Kangar forest, where reservation first took place. Although there was no single leader, many people speak of Gundadhur from village Nithanar as an important figure in the movement. In 1910, Mango barks at a lump of earth, chilies, and arrows began circulating between villages. These
Okay.
were actually messages inviting villagers to rebel against the British. Every village contributed something to rebellion expenses. Bazaars were looted and the house of officials and traders, schools and police stations were burnt and robbed, and grain redistributed. Most of those who were attacked were in some way associated with the colonial state and its oppressive laws.
Okay.
William Ward, a missionary who observed the events, wrote, "From all directions came streaming into Jagdalpur police, merchants, forest peons, schoolmasters, and emigrants."
ठीक है कह रहा है I think I explained you about this, that how this rebellion was undertaken.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
See here it is written, these were actually messages inviting villagers to rebel against the British. Every village contributed something to the rebellion expenses. Bazaars were looted. The houses of the officials and traders, schools and police stations were burnt and robbed, and grains redistributed. Most of those who were attacked were in some way associated with the colonial state and its oppressive laws. All those people who were, attacked, or the places, the grains of the traders that were looted, all these people who were attacked, they were some or the other way associated with the British officials or the British people. That is why they were attacked, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
anything in this to be explained more?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
fine.
No.
Fine. Can we have Sanidhya reading this? Yes, Sanidhya.
Yes, ma'am.
From the screen you can read.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to read this pink paragraph also.
The British sent no. The British sent troops to suppress the rebellion, the one which is showing on the
The
screen.
British sent troops to suppress the rebellion. The Adivasi leaders tried to negotiate, but the British
Tried to negotiate.
but the British surrounded their camps and fired upon them. After that, they marched through the villages, flogging and punishing those who had taken part in the rebellion. Most villages were deserted as people fled into the jungles. It took 3 months, February to May, for British to regain control. However, they never managed to capture Gundadhur. In a major victory for the rebels, work on reservation was temporarily suspended and the area to be reserved was reduced to roughly half of the extent before 1910. The story of the forest and people of Bastar does not does not end there. After independence, the same practice of keeping people out of the forest and reserving them for industrial use continued. In the 1970s, the World Bank proposed that 4,600 hectares of natural sal forest should be replaced by tropical pine to provide pulp for the paper industry. It was only after protest by local environmentalists that project was stopped.
Okay, fine. Now see, wait, don't read now. See, this paragraph, the first paragraph on this page tells you that how the British, they suppressed the rebellion, and after a lot of when they were not, see, it was very difficult for the British to control this rebellion, right? And ultimately they had to jump into negotiations with the Adivasi leaders, and ultimately what happened, they had to agree on some of the conditions that were put by them. Is the
Yes.
screen clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right now,
Yes, ma'am. Clear, so.
now what I was telling, negotiations were done, and ultimately to suppress the tribals, the British government, they took harsh steps, and ultimately, because they knew that these kind of situations, they should not occur again and again. So what they did, they for some time suspended the proposal of the reservation that they had proposed, right?
Ma'am, Pradyum's going to enter.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you know? He's not there in the meeting.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Ma'am, he is going to
that
enter.
posted his attendance.
Achha, he has posted the attendance. Fine. I have.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, a
attendance.
royal welcome.
Okay, fine.
Everyone put clapping emoji.
No, it is okay. Chalo. Now,
Ma'am, here he is.
हाँ,
Ma'am, could you please explain the meaning of negotiate?
negotiate करना मतलब क्या बोलते हैं कि वो करना,
Discuss.
नहीं, डिस्कस नहीं करना, नेगोशिएट करना मतलब अपनी शर्तों पे काम करवाते हैं ना। जब हम, भाई हमने आपसे कहा कि आप जैसे बच्चों से बच्चे घर में होते हैं ना, बच्चे तो बेटा ये काम कर दो तो ये बना देंगे, वो काम कर दो तो वो बना देंगे। तो बच्चे नेगोशिएट करते हैं कि हमने अगर 4 काम करे तो आप हमें क्या चीज बना के खिलाओगे या हमें क्या चीज दिलवाओगे। छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना, ऐसे तो करते हैं कि अच्छा हम होमवर्क कर लेंगे, आप हमें आइसक्रीम खिला दीजिएगा, ऐसे ही तो होता है।
अरे मैम मेरा भाई भी यही करता है।
मैम मेरा भी।
वो बहुत बहुत ये तो दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन प्रैक्टिस। तो नेगोशिएट करना, यहाँ पे नेगोशिएट करने का मतलब था कि जो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट थी उन्होंने क्या करा, उन्होंने आदिवासी को कहा कि भाई हम जो है ऐसा करते हैं कि आप अपना रेबेलियन भी बंद कर दो और हम जो है आप जो भी चाहोगे हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग काम करेंगे। इट इज ओके प्रद्युम्श।
Sorry, ma'am, for being late.
No, it is okay. Akshat Sharma is also taking entry. Okay.
मैम 9 लोग तो हो गए।
हाँ जी, चलो कोई नहीं, ठीक है। तो उसके नेगोशिएशंस के बाद ये हुआ कि ठीक है, जो रेबेलियन था उसको कम कर दिया गया, और जो भी प्रपोज रिजर्वेशंस करी थी ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने, उन सबको जो है टेम्परेली सस्पेंड कर दिया, मतलब छोड़ दिया कि ठीक है अभी हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे। अभी जैसे कहते हैं ना, मामला गर्म है, अभी कुछ मत करो। जब मम्मा बहुत गुस्से में होती है तो बच्चे कहते हैं शांति से बैठ जाओ, नहीं तो एक हाथ की पिटाई हो जाएगी। ऐसा होता है ना, होता है
Yes,
नहीं होता?
ma'am.
मैम उससे भी बुरा होता है मेरे घर।
ठीक है,
मैम ये
तो
कंटिन्यू।
इसीलिए ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने कहा कि ठीक है भाई, हम जो है अब अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, पता चले दोबारा से ऐसा कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाए जिससे कि फिर दोबारा से रेबेलियन शुरू हो जाए। ठीक है, पर अब ये सेकंड पैराग्राफ में दे टेल यू that the story of the forest and the people of Bastar does not end here. After independence, some practices of keeping people out of the forest and reserving them for industrial use continued. Even after independence, also when the British government was not there, when the Indian government took over as the rulers, after that time, at that time also many of the forest dwellers, those who were there, they did not got the rights to go back to the forest areas. Many of the forests were cut for the industrial use because railways were still expanding, country was still growing, and country was developing also, right? The major concentration of the government at that time was to, what do you call, to bring about development in the industries and the agricultural sectors, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine.
Understood.
Now, this was all about the Bastar rebellion that we have read. Anything in this that is not clear or understood, class?
No,
Ma'am
ma'am.
all clear.
All understood, no?
No,
I'm
ma'am.
all understood.
Fine. I hope you all have completed your history chapter 1
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
along with the flowcharts and everything.
Yes,
Ma'am, there
ma'am.
were only 4 questions.
No, there are, I think,
No, history chapter 1, 4 questions.
no, there are more questions.
No, ma'am. You can cross check.
Ma'am, extract based question.
No, extract based questions are many. No, I am talking about the questions which are at the back of the chapter.
Ma'am, 4
Ma'am,
are
what
there.
Only 4, and some flowcharts also we have done, class.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
there
That
were
I've done
3
in the
flowcharts.
copy.
Yes, ma'am.
3
4 question
flowcharts we have
answers and
done.
9 flowcharts, ma'am.
9 flowcharts. Yes. Very good.
Ma'am, at back there are 6 questions.
This is what, no, there are more questions. I don't know why 4 you people are telling me.
Ma'am, that means I have to do 2 more.
Yes. And now as
And
your exams will be in July, so you will be getting first chapter French Revolution history complete. Earlier I wrote that up till what is done, no? Now it is all complete chapter, whole chapter you will be getting.
Ma'am, please give half only.
Chapter is very lengthy.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, a lot of dates.
ma'am,
That is what
geography
the
history
problem.
will be separate or combined?
But geography history are taught by me, so it will be a combined paper. civics and economics will be separate.
Ma'am, like combined in the sense that.
Ma'am, on same day or different day?
Same day, beta, same day, but three
That's what I was asking.
Ma'am, then I am gone.
No, why?
Ma'am, because they are
Ma'am,
two
all the chapters
chapters
are
of class
lengthy.
8.
It is okay. Easy chapters are there, don't worry. Now coming to the
And what about geography?
geography chapter 1 only.
Ma'am, that short one.
Yes, India and its location. बेटा जो चीज दिखती
Ma'am,
है
easiest chapter in geography ever.
हाँ
Yes,
easiest.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then it is fine. Let me see everyone scores full on full in geography.
And ma'am, a lot of objective questions are there.
Huh?
Ma'am, a lot of objective questions are there.
Actually, this chapter kills in the sense that there are so many detailings in this chapter that you need to keep a track of all the detailings that are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We'll revise.
Ma'am, this year history is quite nice.
History is very easy, interesting also. All revolutions are there.
Ma'am, this year only. Last year it was.
Last year was such a easy one. What you read last year will come in 10th, some in 9th. Okay. Chalo, fine. Now, forest transformations in Java. I told you Java is a. What is Java? Java is.
Ma'am, island of Indonesia.
Yes, ma'am. Island of Indonesia.
And now it was famous for rice producing. For its rice production, it was famous. It is famous for rice production. During the time when the colonial rulers were there, Dutch were the ones who were ruling over the Java people, just like British were ruling over India. Right? Now, when we talk of the similarities between the colonial rule of Indonesia and India, there are several similarities, right? Once I'll ask you about these similarities once we are done with the chapter. Now talking about Indonesia, Java in particular, Java was controlled by the colonial rulers Dutch, and whatever were done in India, Bastar by the British, similar kind of practices were undertaken by the Dutch in Java, right? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Like in India, shifting cultivation was banned by the British. Similarly, for the Java people also, shifting cultivation was banned. Second thing, deforestation happened on large scale in Indian forests, especially Bastar. Similarly, in Java also, similar kind of practices were there. The Javan forest was cut down for various developments that were undertaken by the Dutch. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am, may I read?
Okay. Read.
Java is now famous as a rice-producing island in Indonesia. But once upon a time, it was covered mostly with forest. The colonial power in Indonesia was the Dutch. And as we will see, there were many similarities in the laws for forest control in Indonesia and India. Java in Indonesia is where the Dutch started forest management like the British. They wanted timber from Java to build ships. In 1600, the population of Java was an estimate 3.4 million. There were many villages in the fertile plains, but there were also many communities living in the mountains and practicing shifting cultivation. The woodcutters of Java. The Kalang of Java were a community of skilled forest cutters and shifting cultivators. They were so valuable that in 1755, when the equal divide between two kingdoms without their Mataram Kingdom of Java split. The 6,000 Kalang families were equally divided between the two kingdoms. Without their expertise, it would have been difficult to harvest tea and for the king to build the places. When the Dutch began to gain control over the forest in the 18th century, they tried to make the Kalang work under them. In 1770, the Kalang resisted by attacking a Dutch fort resisted by attacking a Dutch fort at Joanna, but the uprising was suppressed. Dutch scientific forestry in the
Ma'am, Kalang is a tribe.
हाँ, कलंग जावा की कम्युनिटी थी, स्किल्ड फॉरेस्ट कटर्स थे ये, ठीक है।
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ जी, ओके। Fine. Anything in this to be explained, class?
No, ma'am, all understood.
explained
No,
well.
ma'am.
Dutch scientific forestry. Prachi,
No explanation needed.
Ma'am, may I start?
beta start.
Dutch scientific forestry. In the 19th century, when it became important to control territory and not just people, the Dutch enacted forest laws in Java, restricting villagers' access to forests. Now, wood could only be cut for specified purposes like making riverboats or constructing houses, and only from specific forests under close supervision. Villagers were punished for grazing cattle in young stands, transporting wood without a permit, or traveling on forest roads with horse carts, or cattle. As in India, the need to manage forest or shipbuilding and railways led to the. Ma'am, can you just scroll up the screen? My book is downstairs. Introduction of a forest service. In 1882, 280,000 sleepers were exported from Java alone. However, all this required labor to cut the trees, transport the logs, and prepare the sleepers. The Dutch were first imposed rents on land being cultivated in the forest and then exempted some villagers from these rents if they worked collectively to provide free labor and buffaloes for cutting, transporting timber. This was known as the bland. Now, what is this? Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello.
हाँ जी, प्राची। प्राची,
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ कह रहे हो आप बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. What is that word? How do we pronounce that word? This was known as.
Bland-Justin. It is Bland-Justin system.
Okay, ma'am. This was known as the Bland-Justin system. Later, instead of rent exemption, forest villagers were given small wages, but their right to cultivate forest land was restricted.
Okay, fine. Up till here only.
Okay.
Wait. Now, ready for the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Chaliye, let us come to this part. How much hectares of natural sal forest was proposed to be replaced by tropical pine to provide
4,600.
Ma'am, 4,600 acres.
4,600.
at least let me finish the question.
Ma'am, but we don't answer.
Okay. Who protested for the project to be stopped?
Ma'am, the local environmentalist.
Yes, the local environmentalists, those who were there. Now,
Ma'am, it was protested by local environmentalists.
okay. What is Java famous for?
Ma'am, rice
Ma'am,
producing.
Ma'am,
rice
rice
producing.
producing.
Island.
Okay. Where is Java located?
Ma'am, in
Ma'am,
In
Indonesia.
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 Ma'am, Indonesia.
Ma'am, in Indonesia.
Very good, Pratyush. Who were the colonial powers in Indonesia?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Dutch.
Dutch.
Who were the
Dutch people.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Dutch.
what?
Dutch.
Who were the colonial powers in India?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
British.
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 Very good.
मैम आज तो हमें सारे आंसर आते हैं, क्या बात?
क्या बात है, इतना बढ़िया है, देखो.
बात ये है
Population of Java in 1600?
Ma'am, 3.5
Ma'am,
million.
3.4 million.
3.4 million.
3.5 million.
3.4 million, ma'am.
Ma'am, 3.4 million.
3.4 millions. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which cultivation was practiced by the communities living in mountains?
Shifting
Ma'am,
cultivation.
shifting cultivation.
Shifting
Shifting
cultivation.
Ma'am,
cultivation.
shifting
Ma'am,
cultivation.
second line, 4.1 paragraph.
Very good.
Sweden cultivation.
Okay. What were the skilled forest cutters called in Java?
Java.
Kalang.
Kalangs.
Kalang,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Kalang.
Kalangs.
Ma'am,
Very,
Kalang.
Kalangs. Very good.
Ma'am, they called Kalang the skill one.
Who were Kalangs? Kalangs?
Ma'am, they
Ma'am,
were
skilled forest cutters.
Ma'am, they were a community of
Cutters.
skilled forest
Ma'am,
cutters.
professional forest cutters.
Hanji. Kalangs were the skilled forest cutters in
Professional forest cutters.
Java. Next is okay. How many Kalang families were equally divided between the two kingdoms?
6,000.
Ma'am,
6,000.
6,000.
6,000 Kalang family were equally divided between the two
year?
kingdoms.
In which year the Matarang kingdom?
1755.
Ma'am, 1755.
1755. Okay. In which century the Dutch began to gain control over the forests in
18.
Java?
Ma'am, 19th
18th century.
Ma'am, 19th century.
In the 18th century.
Ma'am, in
Ma'am,
18th
I was
century.
right.
Ma'am, 19th century.
Ma'am, 18th century.
18th century.
In the 18th century.
It was written when the Dutch began to gain control over the forest
It
in
is
the
written
18th century.
already. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 4.1 paragraph, 5th line.
Yes.
Yeah, so they are unable to make out.
This is what, no? Okay. Who enacted forest laws in Java?
Ma'am, Dutch.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Dutch.
Dutch. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Dutch.
Dutch.
Ma'am, Dutch. Dutch.
Ma'am, Dutch.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
Dutch.
It's the Dutch. Very good. Very good.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am, do
Dutch.
we sound like animals?
No,
Ma'am,
no,
इस बार
no.
तो मैंने बताया.
Hardly
Yes,
108 are there, so not sounding like any such thing. Okay. What were the specific purposes for which the wood was cut? Huh?
Ma'am,
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 making river
constructing
boats.
houses and riverboats.
Construction house.
ma'am, for making riverboat.
For
For
construction.
making river.
Yes, ma'am, riverboat.
Rohan was the first one to answer correctly.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I was.
Oh,
Ma'am.
Rohan was the first one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Rohan has had this question.
Rohan was the first one to answer. Now,
Ma'am, I love the echo of your voice.
really?
Ma'am, Avinath is.
Actually, Avinath is taking the class now. That is why I think this echo is coming. Okay. How many sleepers were exported from Java alone in 1882?
Ma'am, 2,80,000.
Ma'am, okay.
2,80,000.
अंदर लिख के आप उसको रो रहा है।
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम एक बात तो कहनी पड़ेगी,
बताओ।
मैम आपकी बात ही अलग है।
नहीं बेटा, सबकी सब
मैम ये हर टीचर पे यही बोल देता है।
सब देखो
अब
सारिध्या,
हर टीचर पे ये
मैं
लग
सारी
बोलता है ये।
क्लासेस हूँ, आपको पता है मैं आपकी सारी क्लासेस सुनती हूँ।
हैं?
यस मैम।
सारी क्लासेस सुनती हूँ।
सानिध्य रंगे हाथ पकड़ा गया।
नहीं नहीं,
एंड मैम व्हाट अबाउट रॉयल वेलकम?
एवरी पर्सन इज यूनिक। हर बच्चा जैसे एक जैसा नहीं हो सकते सारे बच्चे, ऐसे एवरी पर्सन इज यूनिक। हर किसी के अंदर कोई
मैम
ना,
व्हाट अबाउट द रॉयल वेलकम?
Ma'am, Sanjay's talk is different.
हाँ ठीक है चलो।
मैम व्हाट अबाउट द रॉयल वेलकम?
रॉयल वेलकम ऑफ प्रद्युंश।
Royal welcome is done for all people only.
नहीं नहीं, but I must appreciate Pradyunsh is never late to the class. I think sometimes it so happens, no, because you people had a off, that is why maybe it slipped out of his mind.
Ma'am, I was not knowing that there is a class at 12:40 today.
But no, see, I told you. I told them
Yes
that.
ma'am, he does not take the last class.
Chalo, it is okay, no issues. Okay. चलो अब हम कुछ और क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, थोड़ा सा अलग तरीके से फ्रेम करके।
अरे मैम 1 minute is left.
हाँ
Ma'am 1 minute is left.
हाँ चलो ठीक है, एक लास्ट नहीं बेटा, 3 मिनट बचे हैं। कैसी बात कर दी आप लोगों ने, 3 minutes।
Ma'am, I started the meeting late.
No, we started at 40 only.
No ma'am, 2 minutes was left.
Yes.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, हमने 40 भी शुरू कर दी थी।
Ma'am, it's 1:18.
मैम वो पहला वाला बैच चल रहा था।
Maybe. अच्छा,
Thank you.
why for, listen. Now, can you give me any 3 similarities for which shows that there were similarities in the Dutch and the British control over India and Indonesia respectively?
Ma'am, they
Ma'am,
took
first
trees
of
and
all, both of
Not
them
like
were
this,
crazy
not
for the
collectively.
forest.
Not collectively, individually. Who is going to answer? Prachi is going to answer this question.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, Prachi, carry on.
Ma'am, first of all, the Dutch and the British, both of them were extra crazy for the forest cutting. And they did prohibited the cutting for, like the Dutch prohibited the forest cutting for the Java people, and the British prohibited for Indian people. Several rights of forest were taken from them, and ma'am, they were punished as well.
Okay. Like
Ma'am, the Indian.
if I ask you what were the reasons for deforestation by the Dutch in Java and by the British in India, are the reasons the same?
yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Most.
Yes ma'am.
Pakka.
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, almost.
हाँ, थोड़े से different थे बेटा।
Ma'am, that's why I said almost.
हाँ, चलो कोई नहीं, it is fine. Like the forest laws that were made, were they similar to the people of Bastar and Dutch by their colonial rulers?
No ma'am, I
Yes
don't
ma'am.
think.
Almost. Ma'am, because they were punished if they did break it. Ma'am, they could not cut the trees. You know?
What my question is, are the reasons the same? Are the reasons the same?
Ma'am, I don't think so. That reason.
No, ma'am.
See, like it is written, Pradyunsh, can you
No
read?
ma'am, reasons not.
Reasons were different, no. It is given over here, villagers were punished for grazing cattle in young stands, transporting wood without a permit, traveling on forest roads or carts or cattle. These kind of punishments were not there in the Indian forests. The forest areas were categorized into 3 categories, and then only from one forest people were only from 2 forests people were allowed to take the wood for house construction, right?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Traveling wala thing was not there. तो कुछ एक डिसिमिलैरिटीज भी थी, बट वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द सिमिलैरिटीज. तो similarities में we can say that yes, forest laws were imposed by the colonial rulers in both Indonesia